Power up your English. Amplify your adjectives and adverbs. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting topic: replacing weak adjectives and adverbs with stronger ones. You will learn how to identify weak adjectives and adverbs in your writing and replace them with more powerful ones to make your English sound more vibrant and precise. Let's jump right into it. Before we start strengthening our adjectives and adverbs, let's first make sure we understand what they are. Adjectives describe or modify nouns and pronouns. For example, beautiful, happy, old. Adverbs, on the other hand, modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They often describe how, when, where, or to what extent something happens, like quickly, always, very. Weak adjectives and adverbs are words that are general, vague, or overused. Words like nice, bad, very, really, fall into this category. They're not incorrect, but they don't provide much detail or clarity. For example, saying, "The food was very nice," doesn't tell us much about the food, does it? The real fun begins when we start replacing these weak words with stronger, more expressive ones. Instead of nice, we could use delicious, delectable, mouth-watering. Instead of very, we could use extremely, exceptionally, tremendously. The trick is to be as specific as possible. Think about what you're really trying to express. Is the big house actually a colossal house? Is the happy girl actually ecstatic? Let's do some practice together. Look at the following sentences. 1. She has a nice dress. 2. He ran very quickly. Can you replace the weak adjectives and adverbs with stronger ones? Pause. Here's how we could revise them. 1. She has a stunning dress. 2. He sprinted. Using stronger adjectives and adverbs can make a big difference in your writing and speaking. They make your English more vivid, more precise, and more engaging. They can also help you better express your thoughts and feelings. Remember, there's always a more specific word waiting to replace a weak adjective or adverb. Your task as an English learner is to find it and use it. Well, that's a wrap for today's lesson, dear learners. We hope that you found this video helpful and that you're now feeling ready to replace those weak adjectives and adverbs with more expressive ones. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be wielding strong adjectives and adverbs like a pro. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.